Welcome to the short embedded analytics video for Panintelligence. So why embedded analytics? Well, business intelligence, dashboarding, analytics has gone from being a nice to have in applications to a must have for many customers. With an increasing amount of reporting requirements often coming into the development team, it can distract the development team who need to focus on core product. And there's a need to look at how you best use those resources, and that buy or build option is moving increasingly to partnering with third parties. Ultimately, it's about differentiating, keeping up with the competition, and ensuring that you have a solution that the customers want for now and the future. So what can you expect with partnering with a third party like ourselves? You'll be able to rapidly launch a major product enhancement to your customers. It will give them improved reporting functionality. It will empower those users to be able to self-serve, build those reports and charts, analytics for themselves without the development team or your organisation having to do it for them. That will give you some differentiation in your product, hopefully make you more competitive, win new business, keep the customers you've got, and for many of our partners, help them to drive new revenues. So why work with us? Well, we're solely partner focused. We work only through software vendors and technology companies to bring analytics and business intelligence embedded in their applications to their customers. We can be very flexible around commercials, and you'll find we're all accessible people. We're a UK-based development team and organisation, and we're the kind of people you can pick the phone up to and speak to. Our partners drive the product roadmap. We take pride in being one of the most easy to integrate solutions in the market, and we're a responsive product team that have worked hard to ensure things like our API, the single sign-on, the way in which our tool embed really works for our software vendors. You can easily get your hands on our product. There's a no-risk proof of concept, but ultimately this will be the wow factor for you in your product alongside some of your new features and enhancements, which is something your sales and marketing team will be proud to sell and promote. So how will your customers benefit? Well, beyond being able to help them make better decisions and access information in real time, there are lots of other benefits. The first one, improving data workflows, just enables your customers to be able to not only drill down into the information and see what's happening within their application, but actually launch a format source from that and update that data at source, making reporting and data visualization an integral part of that workflow, taking them from the reporting data back into the application to work things. Mobile workers be able to access information from any time, anywhere, on any device. You've got GDPR compliance with our solution because we don't move data. There's no data cached on any device, and it's all server-side implementation. Ultimately, your customers don't just have your application, they will have data in other data sources. With our contracts, you can offer Panintelligence embedded in your product, connecting to not just your data, but any third-party applications branded as your own solution. One view of the truth within your application. Wider stakeholder engagement, something we're increasingly hearing from customers, is that they would like to be able to enable their customers of their applications to access the data in their applications without necessarily being core users. People that might be third parties such as suppliers, customers, pupils, trustees, parents, regulators, non-users that are wanting to use that information to make decisions. So let's show you the product. So jumping into Panintelligence, the first thing you'll notice is it's completely browser-based. It's fully responsive and it uses material design principles for being able to navigate. So very simple for users of the dashboard to be able to find what they need. And when they get there, they're able to filter that in a very intuitive and simple way. In this case, I'm clicking on some legend items or I'm pinching to zoom in. And I can apply page level filters. And again, as a user, it's one set of charts and dashboards, but every user will only see their version of those charts and dashboards. So very simple, very intuitive and easy to use on any device. But what if I want to build my own? Well, we've made that really easy too, and everything I'm showing you can be embedded as elements within your application. So as this user, I'm going to create a new space on my page. I could pick a chart from a library, or I'm going to go and build something new. And this is where we expose that metadata model of your database, your application, allowing your customer to be able to select those items for themselves, build the charts and reports that they need, represent them in a way, create the drill paths that they need behind that, and very simply be able to self-serve. So if I press save on this chart today, you'll see that it's available automatically on the screen. It will automatically work with any of the filters on the page, and it's easy and ready to use and available in the library. But what if I wanted to embed that chart? So if I click on this cell up here, click the information icon, you'll see we have this embed chart URL. That allows you to embed any chart that's created within your application in any page in any form alongside where people are taking action on data. There's lots more to Panintelligence that we can't show you today because we don't have the time. So why not get in touch with us? Contact sales@panintelligence.com. Please go on our website. There's lots more video and resources, and we look forward to hearing from you and giving you the opportunity to have a go for yourself. Thank you very much.